If your mornings feel weaker than they used to, it's not because you're getting older. It's because your body has lost its natural rhythm. And today, I'm going to show you how to restore it completely. Before we start, if you want to stay strong, sharp, and confident well into your 60s and beyond, subscribe to this channel. I share doctor-backed strategies every week to help men reclaim their vitality. You wake up at dawn, the first light slipping through the curtains. But instead of feeling ready, your body feels sluggish, flat, and heavy. There's no spark, no drive, no strength. For many men over 60, mornings feel like running on a drained battery. You've tried coffee, maybe a quick breakfast, and yet the energy doesn't come. Most assume it's just age catching up, but that assumption is wrong. I'm Dr. Georgia Bennett, urologist and men's health specialist. For over a decade, I've helped men in their 50s, 60s, and even 70s restore energy, drive, and confidence, naturally, without pills, gimmicks, or expensive treatments. Your body remembers how to perform like it did in your prime. It just needs the correct signals. Today, I'm sharing a 7-step morning routine that restores your hormonal rhythm, improves circulation, and reignites your natural morning power. These are practical, science-backed steps that you can start tomorrow. And the final step, which I'll reveal last, is the secret to keeping your testosterone production consistent all day. Before we begin, tell me in the comments, are your mornings dragging or do you wake up feeling charged? By the end of this video, that answer will change. Many men believe morning fatigue, reduced drive, and weaker erections are inevitable as they age. But here's what most don't know. These changes are not age itself. They're caused by shifts in hormones, blood flow, and nervous system signaling. After 50, testosterone drops roughly 1% per year. This is not dramatic initially, but over a decade, the cumulative effect is significant. Less testosterone means reduced muscle mass, slower metabolism, lower energy, and increased fat storage, especially visceral fat around the abdomen. That fat converts testosterone into estrogen, further lowering your hormone balance. At the same time, blood vessels stiffen, nitric oxide levels decline, and circulation weakens. This is why morning erections fade. It's not about desire, it's about blood flow. Your body is still capable of peak performance, but it requires a reset. Think of your body as a high-performance sports car. The engine is intact, but the fuel lines are partially clogged. The power is there, but it needs clearing. That's what today's 7-step morning routine is designed to do. The first thing your body truly needs is hydration, not caffeine or sugar. Filtered water with a slice of fresh lemon is simple yet profoundly effective. When you wake up, your liver has been working through the night, detoxifying and balancing hormones. Lemon water signals your liver, wake up, time to clean house. The citric acid in lemon activates enzymes that help release toxins, while compounds like naringin improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and support testosterone metabolism. Hydration also helps regulate cortisol, the stress hormone that can suppress testosterone. Within days, men notice sharper focus, less bloating, and smoother energy, even before breakfast. Take it slow. Pour water into a glass, squeeze half a lemon, and sip it deliberately. This simple ritual is your first win of the day, a signal to your body that you're choosing control over burnout. After hydration, it's time to activate your hormonal rhythm. Step outside for 5 to 10 minutes. Let the morning sun touch your skin and eyes. No sunglasses, no phone, just natural light. This early sunlight triggers a healthy spike in cortisol, which is necessary. Cortisol wakes your brain, shuts down melatonin, and sets the stage for testosterone production later in the day. Testosterone thrives on rhythm. Morning light exposure helps regulate your circadian clock, improving sleep quality, energy stability, and mental focus. Men who consistently get morning sunlight have higher testosterone, better mood, and improved cognitive function. Think of sunlight as nature's free hormone reset. Combine it with hydration, and you've already taken 2 critical steps toward reclaiming your morning power. Next, we activate blood flow. Alternate nostril breathing is a 2 to 3 minute practice that increases nitric oxide, the molecule that relaxes blood vessels, improves oxygen delivery, and supports stronger erections. Here's how. Sit up straight, close your right nostril with your thumb, and inhale through your left nostril. Hold briefly, switch sides, exhale through the other nostril. Repeat for 2 to 3 minutes. This practice also reduces cortisol, calms the nervous system, and improves mental clarity. Men in their 60s often report better focus, deeper breathing, and more sustained energy after just a week of daily practice. Most men eat immediately upon waking. This interrupts your body's natural overnight repair and fat-burning cycle. Delaying breakfast by 2 to 3 hours allows your body to switch from burning sugar to burning fat. This shift, known as metabolic flexibility, reduces visceral fat, the fat that converts testosterone into estrogen, and naturally supports hormone balance. Studies from Harvard and the New England Journal of Medicine show intermittent fasting can improve memory, lower inflammation, and enhance testosterone production. You're not starving, you're teaching your body to burn energy efficiently. Hydrate, move lightly, and let your metabolism wake up fully before the first meal. Your testosterone will thank you. The next step targets your emotional hormones, which directly influence testosterone, stress, and resilience. Gratitude is simple but powerful. Take a moment each morning to write down 3 things you're thankful for. This triggers dopamine and serotonin release, the same chemicals that regulate motivation, focus, and hormone balance. At the same time, cortisol drops. Studies show men practicing gratitude regularly have lower blood pressure, stronger immune systems, and better sexual performance. Beyond hormones, gratitude shifts your nervous system into rest and repair mode, the optimal state for testosterone production. After gratitude, take 1 minute to visualize yourself strong, confident, and energized. The brain cannot distinguish vivid imagination from reality. When you see yourself moving with power, standing tall, and thinking clearly, your body releases motivation chemicals and primes hormone systems. This mental rehearsal strengthens your neurological pathways, aligning your perception of yourself with your desired physical and hormonal state. Athletes have used visualization for decades. Now it's your tool for vitality. The final step reconnects your body physically. The horse stance, used in Eastern medicine and martial arts, activates the pelvis, strengthens core muscles, and improves prostate and vascular health. Here's how. Stand with feet wider than shoulder width. Bend knees slightly as if sitting on an invisible horse. Keep back straight, chest open. Swing arms gently for 2 minutes. This movement improves blood flow to vital areas, stimulates the lymphatic system, and naturally supports testosterone production. You're not just exercising, you're reawakening core masculine energy. Let's review the 7-step routine. Lemon water to hydrate and wake the liver, morning sunlight to reset your hormone rhythm, alternate nostril breathing for nitric oxide and circulation, delay breakfast to boost metabolic flexibility, gratitude to lower cortisol and enhance emotional hormones, visualization to train your brain and hormone systems, horse stance to activate pelvic circulation and male energy. Do these consistently for 1 week, you'll notice sharper mornings and renewed energy. Do them for a month, your body will perform like it did in your prime. Aging doesn't equal decline. With the right rhythm and habits, men over 60 can feel strong, confident, and alive again. If this routine resonated with you, subscribe to the channel. Every week, I share doctor-backed strategies to help men stay strong, sharp, and confident at any age. Start small, stay consistent, and reclaim your vitality, because every sunrise is another chance to rebuild your power.